all aware that choosing a career is a big decision. A career is an occupation chosen by a person to use his or her talent, provide some goods or services, earn money, and contribute to society. But there's a path you have to follow if you're serious about it. You have to know yourself, research options, set goals, and make a realistic plan to achieve your goals. Now, today on School Zone, we'll be hearing about the career decisions of students at Kingston High while giving them expert responses to their burning questions.
Students, now that you understand what it means to have a career and understand the term itself, now I would like you to tell us what is it that each of you would like to do when you leave school. In other words, what is your career path? Brianna.
In the future, I would love to become a chemist or a cardiologist.
God's willing, I like to be a pharmacist.
I would like to become a nurse.
Well, for me, I would like to study theology.
And you, Shauna Kay?
Yes, I'm not sure.
Okay, Shauna Kay, don't look so sad. One of the things that we're going to do today is a career test, which is going to help you to know and to identify your personality traits and to see which career will be suitable for your traits. All right? So we're going to solve that problem today.
Hi, Shauna Kay. I was told that you're having problems with choosing your career.
Yes, miss.
All right, well, I'll be administering a psychometric assessment to you, and it will help you to choose your career or to know the career that is best suited for you. So here I have a test for you, which is known as my career interest. And firstly, I'm going to ask you to write your name and tick whether it is that you are male or female.
Yes,
all right?
Yes, miss.
After you have done so, it says indicate with a tick activities that interest you the most. Add ticks in each column and place the total in the space provided. So after you have tick what it is that you're interested in the separate columns, then you're going to put a total at the end. After you have done so, I'll analyze it and tell you what career that matches your interest, your skills and abilities. All right?
Yes, miss.
Based on your psychometric assessment, we have realized that you are actually a social person because the profile is that they love to teach or help persons, loves to talk and works well in groups. For their characteristics now, they are very friendly, helpful, cooperative, kind, patient and responsible. Yes. And some possible careers as it relates to social persons are counselors, housekeepers, teachers, ministers, cosmetologists, firefighters, police officers, doctors, and so on. So these are just some possible careers that you can look into to see what it is that you really like. Okay, Shauna Kay, I hope I was of assistance to you and all the best in choosing your career, and I hope that this career path that you have chosen will actually benefit you. All right?
Now that Shauna Kay has gotten her career test, let's give the students a chance to ask their questions and get some answers.
Is my career path in demand?
Is your career path in mind? What is your career path?
Nursing.
Oh, that's your choice. Nursing. Nursing is definitely in demand. We have to understand what is happening in Jamaica and abroad. Now, we know that many nurses in Jamaica have migrated to Europe and to North America because they find that there are great opportunities there for them in the field. And not only that, here in Jamaica, because we have nurses migrating, there will always be the need for nurses. And let's look at it. We're talking about health care. People naturally will get ill, and so the career path of nursing will always be in demand. Yes,
If I'm a pharmacist in Jamaica, can I work anywhere in the world?
I'm glad you asked that question, Michael, because it doesn't only relate to the person who is a pharmacist, but for many career paths that you will choose. If you have to leave Jamaica or leave where you live or where you have been trained, you will find that when you arrive to that destination, that they will be retraining you according to their standards. So what they will do is to give you a test for most cases. It's not like you have to go back to school and spend 3 years, but they are making sure that you can carry out the task right there. So yes, Michael, you will be able to practice anywhere else in the world.
I would like to pursue a tertiary education, but I'm having difficulties financially in going to school. What can I do to attain a tertiary education? How will my dream come true?
Now we have scholarships. And this is one of the reasons we encourage you to work so hard. Because when you do very, very well, when you participate in activities in school, your extracurricular activities or your clubs and societies, these things are looked upon and it puts you in very good standing to gain a scholarship.
Persons can also borrow money from the Students' Loan Bureau or other financial institutions, get a part-time job, or family members can pool together to offset the cost of college or university.
Yes, I am presently doing the sciences, and all the career tests I've taken shows that I'm suitable for the science field. But I rather business. What do I do?
Shauna, you really don't have a problem? Because there are many scientists who are business persons. Because what you have to do, once you have achieved that career goal and you are there, now you are in the sciences and you're working in the sciences, you can operate a business that deals with scientific stuff, that probably sells scientific equipment, so many different things. My pastor is a scientist, but he's also a pastor. You know, there are different things. So it's not something that you need to worry about, but just understand that you can still be in science and incorporate that being a business person. Remember last class we talked about becoming an entrepreneur? That's what we are talking about, okay? Dwayne.
I'm currently doing the sciences also like Shauna K. But I really love theology, really love to study theology. I'm confused knowing that I'm already doing the science subjects. What can I do?
The fact that you're doing the science and you really like theology will not stop you. Earlier on I spoke about my pastor who is a pastor but is also a scientist. So there are times when we can merge our career. We can bring them together and still be able to perform and to do the things that we want to do. So I would say continue on your path with your science and think about your theology, go for it, and you might be able to blend them, merge them, and still live a fulfilled life where you are satisfied with your career choice. So how do you feel now?
I feel enthusiastic.
I feel great.
I feel happy. I can't wait to eat there.
Wow.
Excited.
Good.
Overwhelming.
Wow. All right, and we are going to move right along, work hard, and go for what we desire to have.